Well, hello there, YouTube. How in the holy heck have you guys been? I got something special to show you here. This is a 2018 R9T Option 719. It's a special, call it Option 719 Special. With a Z, of course, if you do it in German. But anyway, hand pin striping. It's called Planet Blue Metallic. And I did this the other day with the camera. It just doesn't come out like it really is. This thing is amazingly beautiful. I don't know how the old Hero 4 Silver will handle this, but soak your eyes into that. Oh man, that thing's pretty. I hope that's coming out as well on camera. She looks real good. But anyway, let's take her for a rip. Boy, you talking about being careful you don't kick a saddlebag. I think it's $300 or $3,500 something. Real expensive paint job. It's almost time for me to go home. The good old SV1000. I know the fuel light's on, but should go out here in a second. I think I put enough in it anyway. The never-ending gas crisis of our dealership. Pretty crazy. Ooh, I forgot how natural these things feel. Oh man. Check out this crazy tall windshield. How far this thing comes up. That makes for a nice quiet ride, doesn't it? You hear me real good? Too bad. I like them down. I like to sail right over. I like that tucked in look. Plus, you want a little wind. You want to make it feel like you're riding with me, right? Although that is pretty loud. I'm facing into the wind at the moment. So this is one of my little quick, you know, this is a sold motorcycle. But it's mandatory that I ride it, but it's not mandatory that I dump a bunch of miles on it. So I do this quick, as viewers on my daily vlog side refer to it as my parking lot test rides. Take it out on the highway, we want to see it go. Fortunately, I can't do that. I just need to make sure that everything does what it's supposed to do. But that doesn't require bombing down the freeway for, oh no, there's water. Oh, we gotta go real slow. Oh yeah, we gotta go real slow. Do not want a speckle of anything on this bike. Well, I guess I didn't get enough gas in it. That light should have long since been off by now. Damn it. Thought I put about a gallon in it. I'm not going to run out, I can tell you that. It says I have a range of 34 miles. That will cover 8 or 9/10 test ride. So, need to check the shift assist probe. Glass move. All the way to 6. Man, for 2018, whatever BMW did to make that smoother was a miracle. I'm not going to stop because I kind of walked you guys around there. If you guys have watched, I always stop over here. I think you got a good view of it. I just don't have a whole lot of time. But man, is this thing beautiful. I should be looking down at the bike and having my eyes pointing up watching the road, huh? It's just amazing how balanced BMWs are. I mean, you can just absolutely crawl to the point that, you know, you're just playing with the clutch. I mean, there's like no sensation that I need to put my foot down. Look how beautiful that thing is. That is the coolest color. The metal flake has got like gold and blue and all kinds of cool colors mixed in there. So nice. I need to, he's got a tank bag. He's got a 2014 R1200RT that he's trading in. I need to swap the tank bag over, which requires some different, a longer bolt for the front bracket. We'll put that in. Well, I apologize for the super short test ride, but if this was your motorcycle, you wouldn't want some guy gallivanting all over half acres. I mean, they understand we have to ride them, but like I say, it doesn't mean I gotta take it for a long ride. That's his 2014 back against the wall there, if you can even make that out. So, swap the tank bag thing over, and I think he had some stuff in his bags that I threw in a box. But I'll put those in these saddlebags. This is his 2014. Nothing wrong with it. He just wanted that special color. Heck yeah. And he's getting the Nav 6. He's going to put that on it. They haven't brought that down to me, or maybe they're just going to hand him the box. That's the way I would want it. Just hand me the box. I want to open it myself. Whew, alright. I sure love those RTs. There's not too many BMWs I don't like. There are a couple, but I ain't mentioning them. It's nothing that's made now, so you're safe there. Alright, I'm bouncing. Thank you guys for coming along for the rip. Looks like BMW and Spyder out down here, doesn't it? Alright, I'm out.